Good afternoon. Welcome to Tech Talk Live. I'm Amy Masters, and soon we'll be having Dani Simmons, the creator of Nailtech Network, and Nailtech Network family, and all these additional sites that Dani's put together. She'll be joining us today, so I'm excited to bring her on. She's missing an action. Hi Shayna, hi Luis. Hi Georgia. So I know that Dani was going to be on the road earlier today, and she kind of messaged all of us, and I have not heard from her since. I've messaged her and everything, so we might just have to wing it today, but we all know that she'll join us when she can. If not, Georgia, I'm bringing you on, just so you know. All right, well, until we can see that Dani can make it with us, it's 7 p.m. there. Okay, so I Googled the times and I set this up. So if it's only 7 p.m. there, then I have made a mistake, and I apologize for that. And that means that we need to give Dani another hour. And so I'm not quite sure what I did wrong there. So it looks like what we're going to do is I'll go ahead and go live for a moment now, and then I'll go live again later with Dani. So with that being said, 3 p.m. in Canada, oh my gosh, so many different time frames of working with, and we're all still learning about, I don't know, just the uniqueness of, like when you Google, is it this time in United States and this time in the UK? I don't know, is there more than one time zone in the UK? So maybe I need to look in that so that I can make sure that I don't make an error again. But anyways, to kind of touch base a little bit, what we're doing with Tech Talk Live is every week we're going to come on with a special guest. Today is going to be Dani, obviously in an hour rather than at now. And hi Phoenix. Phoenix will actually be coming on soon as well as a special guest, so I'm super excited about that. With Tech Talk Live, what we're going to do is bring on a special guest and be able to do some Q&A, and just try to figure out what we can do of some of us that have been in the industry for many years and want to be able to help you kind of go to the next level as well, or vice versa, even somebody who's just starting out and what the techniques that they've used to be able to get going as well. And it's definitely a rewarding career, but in the same sense, there's many steps along the way that are trial and error, and different products out there that we can try that are sometimes a trial and error. And once we find out what we specialize in and what we can promote our best self with, then with that, it's amazing. You can just continue to shine on. I teach workshops on the side, and one of the workshops that I just taught was called Getting Used by Social Media. And what it means is so many times we never want to like be used, but the best thing about being used is that we can be used as a nail tech. We can be used for our knowledge. We can be used for our nail art. We can be used in so many positive ways. And with that, being used in social media is another great bonus, I guess, to this career. And so I just recently got a message from Scratch Magazine, which has been amazing. And so with that, I asked them what it is that they saw about me, and they actually put on there that I had a nice profile, and the only profile that I have that's active is Facebook. And so I just want you to know that if you clean up your Facebook, make it positive, make it your best you never know who's going to be watching you and who's going to publish you and go to the next level with that as well. So there's lots of hidden great my mind's not thinking because I have the time wrong, so you can tell I'm just winging it here. Anyways, it's some great opportunities in this to be able to advance your career to the next level that you never knew was even possible. I've been doing this for 25 years, and this career every day blows me away. And it's not just the feedback that you get from social media, but it's the feedback from your client sitting in your chair and how they love to come see you and they don't mind the time that they give to you. It's a pampering for them, but it's also self-rewarding for us. So, okay, girls. So here's what we're going to have to do. Apparently I must have messed up on the time of translating it from Wyoming, where I'm at, to the UK where Danny's at. And so Georgia had told me that it's only 7 o'clock in the UK. So therefore I have another hour that we have to wait for Danny to come on. So I apologize if you've marked out in your time and I had it incorrect, but I do want you to come back and join us in a little while. So I appreciate your time, and I'll see you right here in about 50 minutes.